My name is Grá Mullins and I am the owner and founder of Grá Chocolates. We're a luxury chocolate brand that is founded in the west coast of Ireland, so in County Galway. So Grá is the Irish word for love, and we try to link in all of our branding and associate that with love, care and attention. We incorporate Irish throughout a lot of our branding, our social media and our website. It's really, really important to me, especially, and to us as a brand, as we are trying to associate ourselves to our Irish customers that speak the language and that don't, and also trying to represent that we are an Irish-made product for those that are not Irish and might be coming to visit us, or we now export, and it's a beautiful Irish gift. We use our Irish throughout our packaging. We also use it in little details. So we have little phrases that are very common with us, and we have the English translation underneath. We use little sprinklings so that it doesn't feel too intimidating to customers that wouldn't have much of an Irish language. Some of our products, we name them in Irish. So we have our Grá McCree, which is a giant Valentine's Day heart. And in our most recent range, we have our drinks cabinet, and each of them have an Irish name. So Ishkavaha, and all different names that just link in together, that give a little sprinkling and that customers can relate to. I used to always love the language and I want to keep an attachment there. I like to bring it in wherever possible, and I like to make it accessible for those that do want to use a sprinkling of Irish throughout their day-to-day.